Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what could easily be dubbed as the best phone charger out there. This is the 10FT iPhone charger by STAMISH. Let's unpack why this charger stands out from the rest. First off, this charger comes with a generous 10-foot charging cable, giving you the freedom to move around while your device is juicing up. No more being tethered to the wall. What makes this charger truly remarkable is its lightning-fast charging capabilities. Equipped with a 20WPD 3.0 USB Type-C power delivery wall plug, this charger delivers maximum power output, charging your device up to 3 times faster than the original 5W charger. In fact, it can charge your iPhone 14 up to 50% in just 30 minutes, saving you valuable time. Now, let's talk compatibility. This charger is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of iPhone models, including the latest iPhone 14 series, as well as iPhone 13, 12, and 11 models. Plus, it's MFI certified, ensuring 100% flawless compatibility with your devices. No more pesky error messages or compatibility issues. Safety is always a top priority, and this charger doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a built-in multi-protection system, guarding against overvoltage, overcharge, overheat, and more. So you can charge your device fast, safely, and with peace of mind. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the quality and performance of this charger. From its fast charging speed to its durable construction, it's clear why this charger has garnered such high praise. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, fast charging solution for your iPhone, look no further than the 10FT iPhone charger by STAMISH. With its lightning-fast charging speed, extensive compatibility, and built-in safety features, it's truly the best phone charger money can buy. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy charging!